how to fix Valorant disconnecting problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, type here update, and then click make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and after that right click here to open task manager, or you can just type here task manager and click on it. Now scroll down until you find Vanguard, right click on it and click end task, and after that type here services, and now scroll down until you find VGC, right click on VGC and click start, and then try again. If that doesn't fix it, go to device manager and then just make sure to update your GPU driver, right click and update driver, and also network adapters, right click update, and processor, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.